they are not giving you. It's a common and good thing to do. Coming together is progress. Working together is prosperity. And we've said, let's start with the progress of coming together as a people. And of course, let's then begin to build on that. We must not have this zero-sum game. Let it be a win-win situation. Everyone must win. Those who accompany those others to win, and those who win must know that there's no loser. Zimbabwe must win. We must be a winning people. We must be a winning nation. We must be a winning and a leading country. We lead by leading in electoral reform, in credible elections, in making sure that the elections are not disputed. We don't want this whole thing of fighting over elections. Let's fix all our broken issues around elections. And I've already articulated those issues. We need a voters form that is auditable, verifiable, and agreed upon. We need to make sure that Zimbabwe Electoral Commission is independent and professional and unbiased and non-partisan. We need to make sure that the diaspora vote is respected. People have to be allowed to vote. Under our government, you would not have to queue for registering to vote. It's going to be digitized, automatic. Once you attain the age of 18, you are going to be on our platform, not just for the driver's license, not just for pensions, but also to be able to know that you are on the voters form. We then deploy it to ZEC, but registration has to be automatic. But that is only under our dispensation. We've already raised it to say it's not too late to do it, because it's modern, it's a digital government, it's an accountable government, but more importantly, it's a credible government.